Hello, you are most welcome. I'm teacher Ivan from Wuna Educational Services. Today we shall be looking at multiplying a vector by a scalar. However, before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with family members, classmates, and friends. Otherwise, hit the notification button such that whenever we have a new video, you get notified and we learn together. So, how do we multiply a vector by a scalar? Let us consider vector A given as xy and the scalar k. Multiplying the vector A by a scalar k gives us ka, where A is the vector, and when we substitute A with its column vector, which is xy, and multiply by the scalar k, we end up with the kx, ky, meaning when we are multiplying a vector by a scalar, the scalar multiplies every component of the vector. It multiplies x to get kx and multiplies y to get ky. For example, we are given that vector A is -32, vector B is -74, and C is 0, 1. Therefore, we are meant to find 2A minus 3B. So, meaning we are to multiply vector A by 2 and vector B by 3, and after get the difference. So 2A minus 3B is given by, we substitute the vectors with their column vectors. That is, for A we shall substitute it with the -32 minus 3 into -7, -4. When we multiply, the 2 multiplies every component of vector A, hence giving us 2 times -3, which is -6, 2 times 2, which is 4, minus 3 times -7 is -21. Similarly, 3 times -4 is -12. Hence, we end up with -6 minus 21 and 4 minus 12. Minus and a minus gives us a positive, hence giving us -6 plus 12, which is 15. Then 4 plus 12 giving us 16. So that is how we operate scalars with the vectors. In our second part, we are supposed to find a half of A plus B, meaning since we have brackets, we shall first deal with the brackets. So we shall have A plus B first, and that is -3, 2 plus -7, -4, which gives us -3 plus 7, negative, and then 2 plus -4. Hence, ending up with the Negative 3 plus negative 7 gives us negative 10. And 2 plus negative 4 gives us negative 2. However, we need a half of this. So a half of negative 10 and negative 2 gives us negative 5, negative 1. So that is how we multiply vectors by scalars. The scalar multiplies every component of the vector. Otherwise, you try out the last one, and please always endeavor to practice. After watching, get numbers concerning the topic you have watched, and always practice, because practice makes mathematics easier, and practice improves perfection. Still, practice decreases difficulty and imperfections, together with those mistakes, the careless mistakes that we always make in exams. They are due to lack of confidence, which is brought by not practicing. Otherwise, the more you practice, the more confident you become, the more used you become to calculating numbers, such that even in exams, since you are used to calculating numbers, you will not have the panic which may lead to those careless mistakes we normally make. So always practice for improvement, practice for perfection, and practice to build your confidence and take away the panic that causes careless mistakes. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with the friends, classmates, family members, so that we learn together conveniently. Otherwise, we meet in our next lesson. I wish to have you in print.